My name is June Chapman, and I'm here with Kevin Mortimer to discuss our partnership in higher education. I'm a higher education account manager within Axians and have worked with Kevin since 2018.
So, hi, I'm Kevin Mortimer. I'm the head of operations at University of Reading. I am responsible for the IT infrastructure here. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. It was the way I pitched it internally was that it's our most digitally enabling thing that we can do, and actually it was about being an enabler rather than a doing, if you like.
Yeah.
We'll soon have the capability to have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth beacons across the entire campus.
Yeah.
And now the conversations about university app are coming in, about student attendance management and how that can support that, for example, using the student app that we have. And we're now starting to think about those. And if we'd waited for the requirement to be there for the Bluetooth piece, it would have struggled to really gain traction because of the cost to implement. But because we factored that in through our wireless refresh, moving from Aruba to Juniper Mist, it has really kind of allowed us to not worry about kind of the process of what we might do. So, well, actually, what capabilities can we now do? Can we start turning off buildings' power earlier, or shutting them in night mode a little bit if there's less people, if people leave there earlier, or how busy are our student areas? So if they want to go to private study space, can they see a live view of that? And all this stuff is suddenly becomes an option rather than trying to look at all these use cases and drive a business case for that. And we've kind of done it the other way around and had a capability which, how can this add value? And I'm really excited about that. We've just started rolling out the devices this week, so the end of April 21, and we hope to finish surveying and completing that rollout by early summer. And then it's the options are endless. Then really, as the university wants to see the value of that, and that for me is the kind of the foresight piece where we're trying to get to now is being a step ahead of the organisation. So when they want the capability, it's there rather than having to go and work out how they then go about achieving that.
The technology is definitely a massive enabler, and obviously the first stage, as you said, is getting the survey done and the APs rolled out. And you've got access to all of the licensing as well, Marvis, virtual Bluetooth, track and trace. I mean, when we did the test in the library, it was pretty good to watch myself walk around your library. That was definitely quite cool. So I think it's gonna be super exciting. There's obviously a lot of good stuff coming on the cards, and as you said, as everything gets turned on, it's going to be very exciting.
And I think, Ginny, it's one of those sort of projects that you probably should have done it the other way around. You should probably gathered all your requirements and then driven the business case around that. We had a pressing driver to refresh our Wi-Fi state as it was going end of life. So it kind of led us a little bit. It'd been very easy to refresh like for like, but there's an opportunity for us to really then create a capability, and that's absolutely where we are now working towards, and it's going to be quite exciting to see how we can really harness that capability moving forwards and get the benefits out of it.